This video tutorial explains the PBP function of CINENORM series monitors. It applies to the BM5IV WR, BM5IV, and BM7II DS models. Tap the screen to access the menu. Click on the Add button, click on Dual Screen, and choose PBP. Then you can enable and add the function. In the PBP menu, you can configure 5 parameters: audio out, set, are 90 degree, mirror, and input. Tap audio out. You can select either screen A or screen B as the audio output source. Click set. You can choose to set screen A or screen B. The following parameters will only be adjusted for the selected screen. Click R90 and the selected image will rotate 90. Click mirror to select 3 mirror modes: H, V, and all. Click input. You can select the screen signal received by HDMI, SDI1, or SDI2. This is the full introduction of the PBP function of CINENORM series monitors.